Hello and welcome. Today I want to talk about a project that I did during pandemic. Now, why I made that project during the pandemic will become quite clear when I tell you what it is. It's a prop knife for not stabbing people. I wanted to own a prop knife for no specific reason, and when I visited my favorite website for 3D models to print, I saw that the majority had some sort of spring that you have to buy. And since it was pandemic and lockdown, I really didn't have the access to the springs. So I had to design something that could be entirely 3D printed, and that's what I did. So let me show you what I was making while I talk about it. I wanted to make a knife that was very ornamental, that had a lot of details and was cult inspired. I'm not sure why that was the vibe I was going for, but pandemic, you know. So I was really focusing on all the details, on the jewels, on the bones, on really making this something you would see as a prop in a film. Creepy film. The biggest challenge on this project was definitely how to make a spring. And my big brain idea was to only make two parts that you could 3D print. So I was thinking of making a pommel, the spring, and the actual blade be printed in one piece. That led me to the most horrifying thing I have ever 3D printed. This was like abomination. This was like
abomination. Abomination.
This was like abomination I have never seen before. I mean, look at this. I don't have the words for it. And the big breakthrough I had was definitely this spring. On its own, it doesn't look like much, but when you put it in this channel, it really works as a spring. And talking about channels, subscribe to my channel. These are the only 4 parts you need for this build. First, you will want to take a grip and put the glue onto here. Then take the pommel and stick it on there. Then you will want to take a spring, put the glue on the bottom of the spring and insert it inside. Then take a blade and push it and hold it until the glue dries. Then put the glue on the blade and be very careful not to put too much. Put it inside and wait for it to dry. And that's it. Now it works. Okay. I guess that doesn't happen if you actually glue it together. Now I will glue this together and we will see how many things we can poke with it. I think this works really well. And stabbing things is actually pretty fun. I don't know what to stab anymore. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.